In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add accordion element in Wix Studio. By the end, you'll have a clean, interactive accordion on your page that neatly organizes content and improves your visitor's experience. First, open your site in the Wix Studio editor so you can work on the page where you want the accordion. On the left side of the editor, click the plus icon, also known as Add Elements. This opens the Elements panel where all the building blocks for your page live. From here, click on Layout Tools. This section includes structural components that help you group and reveal content efficiently. Next, choose accordions. You'll see a selection of preset styles, each with different header and content looks. Take a moment to preview them and pick a design that matches your site's vibe. Now, drag and drop the style you want onto your canvas. Place it where it makes the most sense in your layout. As you drag, use the smart alignment guides to position it precisely. If the accordion snaps into a container or section, that's helpful for keeping spacing consistent across breakpoints. With the accordion on the page, edit the text to your liking. Click a header to rename it with a clear, concise title that signals what's inside. Then click the content area and replace the placeholder copy with your details. Keep paragraphs scannable, and if you have longer explanations, break them into short chunks so they're easy to read when expanded. Next, click Manage Items. This opens a panel that shows all of your accordion sections in one place, making it simple to organize everything. Here, you can update titles and content, quickly spot duplicates or gaps, and maintain a consistent tone across all items. You can rearrange the order of the sections to match your users' priorities. Drag items up or down until the flow feels natural. Start with the most requested information and follow with supporting topics. Reordering here updates the accordion instantly on the canvas. Finally, click Add Item to create a new accordion section. A fresh item appears with default text. Give it a descriptive title, add your content, and make sure it aligns with the style of your other sections. Repeat this as needed until your accordion includes all the topics you want to cover. That's it. You've added an accordion, customized its content, organized the items, and expanded it with new sections, all within Wix Studio. Use it for FAQs, product details, schedules, or any content that benefits from a tidy tap-to-reveal format.